Hello, sir. I'm Mira. I will conducting your final interview. We proceed to the number one question, sir. Number one question: what does respect means to you, sir?
The respect means to me is treating sir, ma'am and sir to higher rank and lower rank and to the citizens.
Okay. Number two question: why do you want to join the army function, sir?
I want to help to guard and to communicate in outside and inside the unit.
Okay. Um, Number three: how should we address higher ranks in civilians, sir?
Sir or ma'am.
Number five: can you leave the military base whenever you want?
No ma'am.
Number six: are you allowed to shoot, tase, or kill a fellow soldiers for fun?
No ma'am.
Number seven: if a civilians enter the base, what should you do, sir?
Give him a warning or assist to leave the base.
Alright, come this way, ma'am. Follow me.
Number eight: what does AFK stand for? Can you please explain, sir?
Follow me, ma'am.
Ma'am, the
Got one
AFK
more for a final interview.
Okay, one mic, sir.
Alright, ma'am. Stand right here. They will be with you, okay?
One mic.
Okay, I'm standing. Hi guys.
They keep coming.
What?
no ma'am.
Just hold your mic, ma'am. We got a general giving an interview.
No ma'am.
Number nine: are you allowed to take a military vehicle for personal use, sir?
No ma'am.
Mhm. Number 10: by joining the army, you must follow all orders from your higher ups. And do you agree to this term, sir?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, sir. Um, you pass your final interview, sir. Congrats.
Congrats.
Why did you
Congratulations.